trail route. Banamsa and Songpanak is near to the book because of the two kinds of route is can reach on the top. But the Arimok and Yangshil is no need to the book because of this route is cannot reach on the summit. So this one is a small trail route. From here on the top, the total trail route about 1.3 kilometers. You just go half an hour, go back.
Okay, so right now nandito na tayo sa Mount Halasan Trail. Hindi na ako nakapag-record kanina kasi medyo na late tayo. Now the time is 9:24 and binigyan tayo ng ating driver or I don't know then tour guide until 10:30 to explore this trail. And siya kasi before tayo nag-lakad-lakad, nag-initiate siya mag-picture. Picturean tayo. So, let me show you what's in front of me, what kind of trail we are gonna walk on. And so yan, medyo hinihingal tayo. Bakit? While climbing this mountain, I want to share with you the itinerary for today's tour. Book ako, and this is the southwestern area ng Jeju. And pupuntahan natin for this tour is nandito tayo sa Halasan, Mount Halak. Then pupunta tayo sa Osolok Tea Museum. Pupuntahin din natin yung Soguipo Waterfall. And then sa Hueri Nature Life Park. Pati rin pala yung Soguipo Nail Ole. And then ihahatid tayo ulit pabalik sa Dongmun Market na pinuntahan natin kapon, pero hindi naman natin masyado na-explore. So as you can see here, may mga tira-tira pang ice or snow. It's already Feb 19 and actually maaraw siya ngayon, hindi naman mahangin, so it's a good time to hike and explore this part of Jeju, the southern western part, which is more on nature. Mga traces of snow. Okay. So, medyo na-stuck tayo sa isang step kanina kasi sobrang dulas, di ba nagmamelt yung ice, Tsaka yung sapatos ko, pag tumapak sa ice, dudulas talaga. So, hindi ako makausad. Once na makausad naman, mahirap na ipababa kasi ganun din, madudulas din tayo. So, for now, hindi ko na iti-take yung risk na iakyat pa. Saka wala rin akong makakapitan kasi na rails. So, for Mount Halasan, medyo sad kasi hindi natin matutuloy. Pero na lang kung ibang shoes siguro yung nasuot ko ngayon. Ayun, sad lang. So, samahan niyo ako, pababa ulit. And mula dito, medyo dry na yung mga steps. Pero, pagdating dyan, start dyan, nakikita nyo icy. Sobrang dulas talaga. Hindi kaya ng sapatos ko. Tsaka delikado din kung wala ka talagang mahawakan. So, just in case you want to come here patapos ng winter, make sure kung akit kayo sa mountain na to is yung shoes ninyo kayang tumapak sa yelo. Let's go down. Okay, so now nandito na tayo sa baba sa Mount Halasan or Halasan. And sad pa rin kasi hindi natin nakita talaga yung tuktok. Sayang yung time. Pero I think it's still an opportunity kung babalik tayo dito sa Jeju. And from my view, you can see that this will be your entrance going up the mountain. And here you can see that Mount Halasan is a UNESCO World Natural Heritage. And this is their visitor center. So ayan, what we're gonna do is balik na tayo sa ating van. And our next stop would be the Osolok Tea Museum. Yeah, ito ang van na nagdadala sa ating tour for today. And now we're here at Osolok Tea, not yet at the museum, but this is the Osolok Tea Plantation. There, you can see the tea plantation.
Okay, everybody comes.
Sundan lang natin ating tour guide na si Lucas. Ayun siya. But there's a tea museum.
Everybody comes.
Now we're here at Osolok.
And we're going to the museum. Sabi ng tour guide, hindi daw masarap yung ano yun, parang green tea, pero ice cream daw masarap. So sabi ng ating tour guide, we only have an hour to go here in the tea museum. And now we're here at the first floor. And meron sila ditong free taste ng Jeju Pure Matcha. Let's try. Medyo mapait. Kaya pala sinabi nung ni Lucas ng tour guide natin na hindi daw masarap. Pero yung ice cream is okay. Marami silang binibenta ditong tea. Jeju only tea. Like this premium green tea waffle. 5,000 won. Let's take a look around kung ano pang meron. Jeju Island chocolate bar, 11,000. This is a milk spread, 10,000 won. Okay, different kinds of tea. Basil, peppermint, Moroccan, mint tea, chamomile. Almond ball, about 10,000 won. Strawberry truffle, biscotti chip. Now for 13,000 won, we will buy a signature biscuit. And bili rin tayo nito premium green tea waffle. Let's also buy this matcha strawberry truffle. Again, it's 13,000 won. Gusto ko rin bili nito Jeju green tea chocolate bar. 11,000 won. I think okay din tong matcha granola cookie for 9,000 won. And let's try this Jeju green tea almond ball for 10,000 won. 네, 감사합니다. 네, 감사합니다. Next thing we will do is to buy ice cream na ni-recommend ni Lucas, nating tour driver, or tour guide, sorry. Here's our green tea, double green tea ice cream. Looks good. So ayan, nandito na ating double green tea ice cream. Hindi pa tayo nag-tour sa museum mismo. Nandito lang tayo sa mga sa shop area niya. Pero let's try. Green tea din niya. May kasamang bread. It's almost like green tea cake. At ito na pala yung nabili natin from Osolok. It's nice. Kailan mo kainin yung cake with the ice cream. It's really nice. It comes with this leaf. And it's also made of green tea. Oh, by the way, this is 8,001. So, wala nating bilisan para makaikot mo lang tayo sa mismong museum. Okay, we've already used 40 minutes para lang mag-ikot-ikot dito sa mismong green tea shop. So let's hurry up. So far, relaxing naman tong first stops natin dito sa tour na to. Good day then, more than weather. It's about 9 degrees outside, so perfect. Perfect outfit natin. So ayan, gusto natin yung in-order natin. Let's hurry up para mag-ikot ng konti dito sa Tea Museum. Let's go! Okay, so muli ako nang inisip pa. Akala ko may malaki talagang museum dito for the green tea. Pero I'm at the second floor and it's just an observatory. A very small room where you can literally observe what's happening outside. Dito ay nakalagay oh. Tea shop, tea cafe on the first floor, roastery, restroom, the second floor, observatory. So lalabas na tayo. So this is still part of the first floor. Something about the history of the Ocelot tea. So here's our proof that we have been here at Ocelot. Yan, kakalabas lang natin. And babalik na tayo papunta dun sa van. Na-mention nga pala ng tour guide natin na may Innisfree. Saan ba na yung Innisfree? May time pa ba? 12:15 na. Dapat 12:20 bumalik na tayo. But I'm not sure where the Innisfree is. Now we're here at Soguipo May Ole Market, and I am with Maria from
Philippines.
the Philippines. Yes, and you're working in
Singapore.
Yes. Napunta kami for lunch. Can we go? Yeah. So that's the Soguipo May Ole Market, and we can go. Let's go inside and see what they have. Marami rin silang mga tinda na parang sa Dongmun.
Nakapunta ka na po?
Kagabi. Kaso
Nakapunta
saglit lang talaga.
Ah.
So mamaya, doon naman yung last stop natin, di ba? Pwede natin i-explore din.
Sa amin, mag-dinner.
Sa inyo?
May friend po kasi ako na
Yeah, sure.
Wala po yung marinated crab, natry nyo na po.
Hindi pa.
Viral yun. Sobrang sarap
Oh,
po.
really? Sige.
Must try na po.
Okay.
Ako para po.
I'm also here with another tourist from this day. You are
Wesley,
Wesley. You're from
Singapore.
Singapore. When did you arrive in Jeju?
2 days ago.
2 days ago. Okay. When are you leaving?
I'm leaving the following day.
Tomorrow?
20th.
The 20th.
21st.
21st. I'm leaving on the 22nd. So, do you have any specific thing that you like eating, like seafood or meat?
Yeah, I love seafood. I've eaten a lot. So before Jeju to Busan,
Okay.
yeah, I ate a lot of seafood there.
So, how many days have you stayed in Busan?
5 days.
5 days. So you've been in Korea for a long time.
This is about 1 week into Korea. Yeah.
Okay, that's nice. And you're leaving on the 20th,
21st.
21st going to Singapore?
Wait, sorry, 21st to Busan, and then 22nd.
Okay.
So I'm actually on exchange in Vietnam.
Okay.
So I flew here from Vietnam.
Oh,
yeah, so I'm going to
okay.
Vietnam. Yeah.
That's nice. I've also been to Vietnam last year.
Ah, nice.
Yeah, it was nice. So we're going for this one. I don't know. Still about black pork. 제주도. Oh, 맛집. It's on the second floor. I'm here with Maria and Wesley. Take a look around. And here's their menu. 30,000, 120, 9,000. Order natin. Here's our lunch for today. It's black pork belly, cold buckwheat noodles, side dishes. Yeah. High blood talaga tayo nito. So you're a taekwondo teacher, right?
Yes.
You studied in the Philippines?
I was a athlete po sa Philippines, like national athlete.
Okay.
So I started when I was very young.
Wow.
Until college, until I finished.
Wow. In the province?
In the Philippines po, and then I went to Singapore to be a coach.
Okay. Where in the Philippines?
Cebu.
Oh yeah, you told me.
Bisaya.
Cebu. Bisaya.
Sa duwap po.
Yeah, tapos na tayo kumain. At hindi man lang natin naikot ang market na to. Kasi naubos yung oras natin sa pagkain. Pero I think similar lang siya sa Dongmun Market na pupuntahan din natin yung drop-off natin para mamaya. Yeah. Babalik na tayo sa van. And I think the next stop would be Seogwipo Waterfalls. Yeah. Here we go. Nagmamadali na tayo. Kasi late na tayo. Meeting is at 2:20. Now it's 2:24. So let's go. Hurry up. Hey. Kasama ko pa rin sina Maria and Wesley. Yes, sorry. By the way, our total bill earlier plus for lunch was 66,001, and maghahati na lang kami dun, kami tatlo. And nakita ko na yung van. Let's go. Now we've arrived at the location to the Jongbang Waterfalls. I think our tour guide will get us our tickets. Here.
Okay, nobody comes. Give me camera, Maria, first.
There it
Okay,
is.
go down here, over there.
And we're going down to the Chongpang Waterfalls. Hey.
Careful. This is the way you meet 310.
310.
Maybe enough now. So the maximum is 315, 1.5.
Okay.
But I just wanna, we just live here, 310. Okay.
310. Okay. Alright, so nandito na tayo mismo sa tapat ng Chongbang Waterfalls. This Chongbang Waterfalls directly connects to the ocean, as you can see. And according to our tour guide, dito daw sa Jeju may tatlong kinds of waterfalls. And sa opinion niya, ito daw ang pinakamaganda. Yan. It's actually really nice here in Jeju. And here, ang dami mga bato-bato that they put into towers. So ayan yung waterfalls, Chongbang Waterfalls. And dito yung isn't it nice? Wow. We just arrived at Xueli. Xueli, it's a park here in Jeju. Yeah, Xueli.
Just in my humble opinion, is symbolized on the Jeju Island. England, Korea is in front of the snow village, then wooden face. But Jeju is behind the small China and Korea is very important to maintain their surname. Their surname is maintained by Sun. Okay, that's all.
Touch the ears na po para magkapera.
Go touch my hand. Namikita natin mga tangerine trees. Take a look. Wow. Now we're here at the Camellia Flower Garden. Ang ganda. Tayo nag-ikot-ikot lang sa flower garden na to. And from there you can see lots of tangerine trees. And here, if you're familiar with When Life Gives You Tangerine, yung poster ni na Ayu ay di ko kinunan. And Pak Ogum. Matamis na amoy. May namoy talaga matamis. 하트. Little angel. Ayan. We're on our way. We're on our way to the mini pig, mini black pork, mini pig interaction experience. Oh, I think meron dito. Oh, here they are. It looks so cute. Pero maamoy mo talaga yung amoy. Baboy. Wow. Maga. Wow. Ayan sila, mga talagang black pig. Endless walking tayo for today's video. So on this side, medyo brown pa siya. Hindi pa nag-iba yung kulay niya because it's not yet that spring, probably. Pero once na mag-ibang kulay niyan, for sure, mas maganda siya tingnan. Ayan, dito yung sinasabi natin na magandang mag-picture, diba? Let's go there. Maganda yung scenery para mag-picture. Diba? But it's 4:36 and kailangan daw na tayo sa van by 4:35. Maximum is 4:40. So nagmamadali na tayo para makapunta. Yeah. So let's go. Bamboo. Pag-bloom pa ng mga flowers kasi ang mag-spring. Pero siguro by March, mas maganda na talaga siya tignan. Here, let's look here. Yes! And now we're back at the hotel and nag-freshen up lang tayo kasi mamaya, mag-meet ulit tayo with one of the Filipinos I met from the tour. She's Maria Carmela. And we will go back to Dongmun Market. Not really go back, pero ang plan before was doon na lang kami magpapa-drop off sa Dongmun. And then mag-ikot, pero nagiba. So, bumalik na lang kami sa hotel. And then magkikita kami around 6:30. Now it's 6:26. Para pumunta sa market. Ayun, tapos mag-iikot-ikot. So, the day is not yet over. So, still, join me in exploring Jeju. Before I forget, when we were about to go back to our hotels or destinations, yung tour guide namin sinabi na pag nag-review kami agad before makauwi is magbibigay, may cashback na 5,000 won. And it was true. So, ayun, naka-receive ako ng 5,000 won. And from our tour guide, Lucas. So if you want to join that trip, you can book it on Klook. So right now, I'm just walking towards the lobby para makipag-meet sa ating mga fellow Filipino. Si Carmela, Maria Carmela pala, may nakilala ding friend na Filipino. So, meet din siya natin ngayon. And I think they are there. Ayan, nata sila. Hello. Hi. So, we have a new fellow Filipino here. What's your name?
Hyacinth. Hello.
Hyacinth.
Yes.
Like the flower hyacinth.
Yes.
So, gano'n ka nakatagal sa Jeju?
It's like my second day.
Second day. And then until
Tomorrow
when?
is my last day.
Just for 2 or 3 days?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah,
And
it's
you're
like
going-
a short trip. And then going back to Seoul and then go back to Philippines for like a month and then go back to Australia.
I see. I've heard from English. I've heard from Carmela that your parents are in Seoul.
My mom is
Your
in
mom?
Seoul. Yeah.
So you work in Australia.
hmm
What job?
It's like a breakfast chef.
Oh, a chef.
Yeah.
That's nice. And you've been working there for how long?
It's like 4 years. Yeah.
4 years.
Yeah, since
Okay.
I moved there.
Okay. You moved there.
Yeah.
Solo or?
Yeah, but I started like as a student and then
I see. Pathways.
Yes, like
Okay.
pathways.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's nice to know. Thank you so much.
Interview.
All right, so now we're here at the Dongmun area. This is called the Jeju Dongmun Ganjang-gejang. It's like a crab store. Yeah, crab marinated in soy sauce. So let's go and see their menu. Yeah, they have the female crab marinated in soy sauce, male Jeju yellow crab spicy crab soup, Kako winter delicacies. Let's go in. Seaweed.
Sorry po. May vitamins.
So, sino ng mga nakapunta dito?
Dito?
Yeah.
Hindi. First time ko.
I mean, sino na yung mga nakapunta na popular artist or...
Nanay, si Larry.
Nana Celario.
Sino yun?
Oo.
Okay. Sino pa? Vloggers lang ba? Walang mga artista or something?
Hindi ko sure. Hindi. Pero ang galing mo climb mo yung Mount Halasan ba yun? Dream ko din.
Hindi ko bumaba ka eh. Hindi mo inakit yung
Hindi
tuktok eh.
ko. Kasi natakot ako may ice kasi. Tapos yung
Shoes.
shoes ko.
Same.
Madulas.
Same. And here is our famous ano to? Crab marinated in soy sauce. Recommended by Maria Carmela. 네, 감사합니다. Ayan. So let's try.
Yes.
Go for it. Sorry. Crab, rice,
Rice.
uh-huh,
And then egg.
egg,
Sarap.
and seaweed. Follow that, please. Yes! 감사합니다. Okay, pagkatapos natin kumain, nandito na tayo sa Dongmun Market and we are in gate 12. So, sa mga nakikita natin dito, marami pa. Marami nang close. I'm not sure if ang closing time nila is 8. Pero may mga open pa rin. Or is it because of the holiday? I'm not sure. We're here at a shop in Dongmun Market. Mostly souvenirs. Let's take a look. Here are some keychains. Pero mas gusto ko yung fridge magnet. Ito, nandito sila. I'm not sure kung anong maganda dito. May nakita tayong mga fridge magnet, this magnet, tangerine. Meron din itong Jeju Island and still Jeju Island. Ngayon titingin tayo ng mga pangpasalubong, mga boxes. Dito nakalagay 3 box for 10,000 won. Jeju Soburu Tart. May mandarin flavor green tea and udon peanuts. So, nabudol po tayo ng dalawang box ng tart at ng chocolate chips. Meron din sa mga fridge magnet na nabili. Now, nandito tayo sa isang shop. And let's find out kung ano may kita natin.
거기 나오는 진짜 바보는 배터리 있어.
I'm cute. Ghost set.
So now I'm back here at the street food area of Dongmun Market. So, ito merong may mahabang pila. Still about the black pork. And my strawberry chocolate. I see it's about 10,000 won. Ito, the barbecue. Kaya bumili tayo ng spicy 10,000. Grilled pork neck spicy charcoal. This one. Dahil hindi pa ako masaya dun sa kinain natin dinner. Bumili ako ng meat. Yung spicy grilled pork neck charcoal, something like that. Ayan, tingnan natin naman. Try ko na ang food. Try ko na siya. I think it's nice. Hindi siya super spicy. Actually, hindi siya spicy. So, okay na. So now we're here at Acorn's Caricature. I think for the experience, sabi nila 1 minute is done. And that's for 7,001. Parang gusto ko i-try. If you can see yung mga caricatures nila. Diba ang cute? Parang gusto ko i-try. 감사합니다. Hello again guys. Finally we are back at the hotel from Dongwon Market. Ginawa natin doon. Kumain tayo ng spicy crab. Not spicy. Crab marinated in soy sauce. Tapos bumili tayo ng souvenirs. Tapos tumikim din tayo ng kanilang street food. Yung spicy meat and charcoal. Something like that. Because along the way, pauwi kami. Nakita namin yung kind of store. We got curious, so we entered. It's called the Acorn Caricature. Nakita nyo na kung ano yung kinalabasan. I-share ko lang ulit. And this is me, according to the artist perception. Yeah, for 7,001, if you want a unique experience, so I think you can try. It's kind of cute and memorable. So one of the, as I'm thinking right now, one of the peaks of traveling is to meet people. Kahapon, na-meet natin si Marie, Carmela, and Louis. They are working in Singapore. Tapos ngayon naman, another Carmela, Maria Carmela, and Hyacinth. Naisip ko lang din na it's nice, you know, when you meet people, share your similarities, differences, and ayun lang. Bigla ko lang naisip na new people, perks of traveling, and you get also to have new friends. So it's really nice to travel if you have the budget and the energy and the health, of course. So ayun lang. For me, I think if you have all those things while you are so young, just try to travel and explore the world. That's it for today's video. Medyo pagod na tayo. And I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye!